Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer team brand kits into Canva Enterprise, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer team brand kits into Canva Enterprise, start by logging into your Canva Enterprise account. Navigate to the home page. Click on the brand kits section in the left sidebar. If you have existing brand kits, you'll see them listed here. To create a new brand kit, click on the Create a Brand Kit button. Choose a name for your brand kit that reflects your team's identity. Now, add your brand colors by clicking on the Color Palette option. Enter the hex codes for your brand colors or use the Color Picker tool. Next, upload your brand logo by clicking on the Upload Logo button. Select your logo file from your device and wait for it to upload. Once the logo is uploaded, you can resize it to fit within the designated space. Next, add your brand fonts by selecting Add a Font. Choose from Canva's font library or upload custom fonts if needed. Make sure to mark which fonts are primary and secondary for consistency. After establishing your colors, logos, and fonts, click Save to secure your changes. You can now create brand templates for your team's consistent use. Click on Templates in the Brand Kit section. Select Create a Template to start designing. Use your established brand colors and fonts for uniformity across all templates. Once your templates are complete, they will be saved within your brand kit. To share the brand kit with your team, click on the Share button. Enter the emails of your team members and set their permissions. Notify your team members about the new brand kit via your preferred communication channel. Regularly revisit your brand kit for updates as your brand evolves. This ensures all team members always have access to the latest brand assets. You have now successfully transferred your team brand kits into Canva Enterprise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.